Synesthesia is a neurological condition where the stimulation of one sensory pathway leads to involuntary experiences in another. It is not a disorder but rather a unique perceptual phenomenon that affects a small percentage of the population. Individuals with synesthesia, known as synesthetes, experience the world in a way that is often vibrant and multisensory, blending experiences that would typically remain separate. For example, a synesthete might perceive specific colors when they hear music, associate tastes with words, or see numbers as inherently colored. These experiences are consistent and automatic, meaning that the same stimulus will always evoke the same response, making synesthesia a deeply personal and enduring part of a synesthete's sensory perception. There are various forms of synesthesia, each reflecting different ways in which the senses overlap. One of the most common forms is grapheme color synesthesia, where individuals perceive specific colors when they see letters or numbers. For example, the letter A might appear red, while the number 7 might be blue. In auditory visual synesthesia, sounds, such as musical notes or voices, might trigger visual experiences, like seeing bursts of color or patterns. Some synesthetes also experience spatial forms of synesthesia, where time or sequences, like days of the week, months, or years, might be seen as occupying specific spaces in the mind's eye, with certain days appearing closer or farther away. The origins of synesthesia are still not fully understood, but research suggests that it may be caused by cross-wiring in the brain, particularly in areas responsible for sensory processing. Normally, the brain's sensory pathways are distinct, with each sense processing information in isolation. In synesthesia, it appears that the boundaries between these pathways are less rigid, leading to a blending of sensory experiences. Genetics play a significant role in the condition, as synesthesia tends to run in families, indicating a hereditary component. Additionally, some studies have suggested that synesthesia could be linked to increased neural connectivity, where regions of the brain that are usually segregated become more integrated. Though synesthesia is rare, it is not necessarily a hindrance. Many synesthetes report that their condition enriches their lives and enhances their creativity. For example, musicians with synesthesia often describe how the perception of colors or shapes while playing music helps them create more expressive compositions. Artists, writers, and other creative individuals have also reported that synesthesia allows them to experience the world in ways that inspire their work, leading to vivid and unique artistic expressions. Some synesthetes find that their experiences enhance their memory or cognitive abilities, as the sensory overlap provides additional mnemonic cues that help them retain information. While synesthesia is mostly an innocuous condition, it can be disorienting or overwhelming for some individuals, especially if they experience a high degree of sensory overlap. In some cases, the sensory experiences can become distracting or difficult to control, particularly if multiple senses are simultaneously triggered in response to a single stimulus. However, the majority of synesthetes embrace their condition and see it as a positive aspect of their sensory perception. Scientific studies on synesthesia have provided valuable insights into how the brain processes sensory information and how flexible and interconnected neural networks can be. Understanding synesthesia has led to a greater appreciation of the complexity of human perception and the diversity of ways in which the brain can interpret the world. It has also prompted further exploration into the potential cognitive benefits of the condition and how it may contribute to creativity, memory, and other cognitive functions. In summary, synesthesia is a fascinating and complex condition that blends sensory experiences in ways that challenge our understanding of perception. While it is rare and often misunderstood, it offers a unique window into the brain's ability to cross boundaries between senses, creating a multisensory reality for those who experience it. Synesthesia enriches the lives of many individuals, providing them with a heightened sense of connection to the world around them, while also inspiring creativity and artistic expression. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.